So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Here basically this is the most anticipating module because many of you are facing issues while setting the VS Code. So here is the video. First of all, you have to open the first module in the new tab, and here basically we have to activate our developer edition new account. So also open your email address. Okay, now here basically we have to just come over here, and here you can see right click open in a new tab, and basically here we have to create a developer edition account. So for that, just come over here and wait for the page to fully load. Now here just enter your name, last name, email address will be your personal email address. Okay, you can check your mails, and there only you'll find the email address. From there just copy the email and just paste over here. Now for role, you can select any role, there is no issue. Company also anything, and username also anything. Okay, you can use anything. You can just write your name at the rate of any.co. So just sign up. Now here many of you are facing issues like this registration email. Basically setting up of the developer account email generally takes more time. Basically it takes sometimes even 15 minutes, even 30 minutes, and even up to 5 minutes sometimes. So in that case you have to just, if you are seeing a lot of basically time is being taken, then you can just come back again and re-sign up using a fresh account. So let's wait for some time and then try again. So finally waiting for at least 10 minutes, I have got this email. Now we'll verify it. I will tell you how you have to verify it and proceed for the next steps. So here is the email. You have to click on it, click on verify, and sometimes what happens, you get some kind of email, basically some kind of option. When you try to reset, it will ask for double authentication. In that case you have to come to the same email and check the code, and just you have to just check it and just copy it carefully, and then simply come over here, paste and verify. Now the next step is that, okay, you have closed the existing windows. Now next step is that you have to connect your organization. Before that you have to change the password. Now password can be anything but not same as your name or username, so you can type anything and just follow as I am doing. Now here you can select any name. Now sometimes what happens, the page does not respond. In such cases you have to refresh the browser window and retry the same step. So let me show you if any other option is working. So not working, then only the solution is that we have to refresh again. So just refresh the browser window. You can also try to change the password in case it shows the same error. So here just reload the browser. Now just enter the pass carefully. Now enter the any of the question, then click on change. So finally we have changed and set up our pass for the new playground. Now here we have to just connect the, basically connect the agent not the playground organization. Now for the username, you can check the email address, come to the email address, let me show you. This is the username, copy it, come over here, paste it, and just, if you have saved the pass, then just sign in, or you can enter it also. So just enter the pass over here. Now once you have entered the pass, then you have to click on allow, and then yes, save it. So finally we have set the playground and it is successfully connected with our lab, basically this module. Now the next step is that we have to just enable the Einsteins and Agentforce in the developer edition, and most importantly we have to set up the basically VS Code over here. So here you can see all these things. Click on launch by scrolling down and then patiently follow the video. Come over here. Okay, you have to create new playground each time we start the basically module, because many of you are saying that we are unable to see the instant setup, Agentforce, etc. In that case you have to restart from zero from module 1, and then only you'll be able to complete it. So just wait for the page to fully load. Now here it's finally loaded. Now here in the quick find only, you have to just type Einstein and just paste over here and just try to basically search it. So just paste it, hit enter. You can see this one. You have to click on it to open. Sometimes due to internet issues it takes some more time. In that case you have to just reload the browser window and try again. Now here we can see the Einstein option, and then you can block this notification because this is of no use. So just block it, or you can leave it as it is. There is not any big issue. So we have to open it. In case it's not opening, try to double click over here. By mistake I think I clicked on this URL. So okay, so here, so now here you have to click on the instant setup, and it's opening basically. So here you can see turn on Einstein, click on it, and after that we have to enable the Agentforce also. So how we'll find it, do not worry, copy this, come over here in the quick find, paste over here, and you can see here Agentforce agents, click on it. From there only you have to enable both Agentforce also and Agentforce default also. So I'll tell you how you have to do it, do not worry. So now open the first toggle, basically click on the first toggle, and then after that you have to scroll down and just open the second toggle. So it's just saving, and finally we are done with this step. Now we have to set up the development environment. For that we need VS Code. So just stay tuned and pay attention to each and every step whatever I do. So just stay tuned and let me show you what things you have to download and complete it. So meanwhile, in case you haven't liked the video yet, to like it and subscribe the channel. Now let's start. Now here please pay attention to each and every step, because this is the main thing many people are unable to figure out and complete it. So first of all we have to, if you want to view the installation guide, you can just see it. Here basically we have to download two softwares, basically not two softwares. One thing we have to download the CLI of the Salesforce, and one software is basically VS Code, where we'll be just signing in with we will be just using the Salesforce Agentforce. So now here you can see you can download the VS Code over here. How to download? It's very simple. Open the integrated terminal. You can see here download button is here. You have to just click on this download button, and then depending on your system, if you are a Mac user you have to select Mac option. If you are from basically Ubuntu Debian, you can select like this. And I know many of the people are using Windows and Mac also, so you can just use the normal method. So just download it, the VS Code. It will take some time. Now let's install it. I am making it complete guide so that you are able to complete it without any issue. Now here just follow the steps and click on install. Now this installation process will take some time. Make sure your C drive is not full, and just wait for it to get completed. After that we'll just install the next CLI option. So finally it is successfully installed. If you want to launch, you can just click on finish and it will be successfully launched. Now after that we have to install the CLI of basically Salesforce. So let me show you how you have to do it. And meanwhile, in case you haven't liked the video yet, to like it and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started to the next step. Once you have downloaded the VS Code, now it's time to install the CLI interface. So basically how you have to install, right click over here. Do not worry, all the resources will be shared in the description box, and then you have to select your operating system, basically whether you're using Mac, Windows or Linux. So here I'm using Windows only, and I will be downloading the Windows. In case it's Mac, you have to use the Mac option. Now click on it, and here you can see the file is being downloaded. Wait for a few seconds, it will be loaded over here. So follow the video carefully and you'll be able to complete it, and I'm making it simpler for everyone. That's why I'm explaining each and everything in detail. I could have skipped the VS Code part, still I am showing you how you have to install all the things, how you have to do it. Maybe the video will become little bit longer than normal videos whichever are available on the channel of others, but I want to make a complete guide. So just let's complete it and just wait. Here you can see after that we have to just add some extensions also. So wait for the CLI to get downloaded. It will take some time. So just wait for it, and meanwhile like the video. So finally here you can see the extension file, sorry, the CLI file, exe file has been successfully downloaded and it's in done stage. You can always also check your system also. Now what you have to do, you have to just double click on it to just open the setup settings, and you have to make sure that firewalls are disabled on your system. If you want to know, you can just let me know. In case you are facing any issue, please follow the video carefully and make sure you have started from the first step. So now wait for it to get started. Here you'll get a pop-up. Basically we have to just click on yes, and the next step will begin, and we have to just install the CLI. So I think I will get a pop-up. Due to security reasons it's not showing, so you have to just click on yes. Now here you have to just click on the next option, install. Now again this installation will take up to 5 minutes or depending on your SSD or laptop speed, and I'm using it in older laptop, so it's taking some time. So just wait for it to get completed. After that we will basically add some extension and just complete some of the tasks. So finally here you can see all the installation process is completed. Now you have to simply close it, and then after that you have to just open the VS Code. So just come over here, and here you can see we have just done this part. Now double click over here. In case you are unable to find the VS Code, you can just click on the search option and just type VS Code. It will take some time. If you are using older version or lower processor, it will look like this. Basically it will take time, not look like this. The interface is same for all the users. Now here you can see this button is the extension button. You can see just above the profile, this button, it's a square kind of thing. You have to click on it, and then you have to just paste the Salesforce extension pack name, and then you have to just come over here and click on install. After that simply close the VS Code and simply reopen the VS Code, and then we have to just try the next step. Basically we have to create the file. So how we have to create the file, let me show you. Do not worry at all, we'll cover each and everything step by step and very easily. So let's complete the next step. Basically you have to use the what I did, click on the gear icon and click on command palette and just type basically sft. You have to create a project. What I did, you can see the settings icon. Okay, then you have to click on command palette. Okay, after that only you will be able to create the project. So let me show you how you have to do it again. If you have seen it, so like this you have to do it. Okay, click on the settings icon and then just command palette and just type it. So it's taking a bit of time, do not worry, we'll cover each and everything. Due to less internet speed it's happening, I know it very well, so it's taking much time. So I am re-showing the process again. Do it like this. Now again it's taking much time. So again click on create a project like this. I know it might be a little bit annoying, but due to some resources issues, the laptop is not working properly well because this is a old laptop. So here it's again taking some time. Here you can clearly see how will the output look like. So I'm just trying to make it simpler, and now we have to select the standard template. The project name is mentioned on the lab instruction. If you try to see, again it's closed. I don't know what's happening. So now again we have to copy the name. Click on this command palette, create project. You can type it also, standard, paste it, hit enter, click on the enter button. Now you have to select the directory. Just select the directory carefully and just click on create project. The project creation is being done. It will again take some time, and it will reload also. So here you have to just click on yes, I trust the authors. So just follow carefully. Okay, now here this thing is done. Now again command palette, we have to just authorize ourselves. So just you can see, I think the project is created. So we have to just authorize an organization, click on it. Basically now we have to sign in, and then we'll be able to complete the first step. Now just follow it. Now here many of you are facing issues like you're unable to sign in. Okay, you're getting some kind of error. Do not worry, each and everything will be covered. So wait for the connection to get connected. Okay, again you can just try it. In case it's failing, just retry it again and again. So you can use the connect an organization method of the agent vibes also, or you can just come to the command palette and just type sfdx connect to an organization. Okay, auth one, I think so. Now then you have to just click on project default, and for the project name you have to come back again. I think there is a issue. You need to just copy paste the project because it's not working sometimes. Then paste it or type it or hit enter. Better type it as I'm doing so that you are able to work on it. Now here for opening this URL you have to just use the mouse button and control button. You can see control and mouse click, then a new page will open over here. Now here basically you have to enter the username and pass of the same playground which you are doing. In that case you have to verify from the lab instruction. Let me close the unwanted tabs. First of all, let me close the unwanted tabs over here, and then let me verify one more important thing. I hope now from here you can just come over here and just scroll down at the bottom, and if you scroll down at the bottom you can clearly see this username. You have to copy it. You can type it also because this will be only linked to our VS Code and you'll be able to complete it. So just paste over here on the name, and then you have to paste in the password section and then just log in. So like this you have to do, and basically sometimes what happens, due to glitch it just redirects to the main page and does not get sign in, and if we see the VS Code we get some error. So just click on I don't want to register, and let's see whether it works or not. Do not worry, I have completed this task and I was able to get full score. If you try to check the score you are getting this kind of error. So here you can see we are getting some error, I think so, that the integration has not been completed. In such cases what you need to do, you need to just open it again and just integrate it. So all you have to do, you can see here that we are not getting any authentication successful message. So in such case you have to just retry to sign in. Let me show you how you have to do. Come back again to the VS Code, close this one, close this one, cancel this one, and then simply we have to just log in. So how we have to do it, you can see it's showing again failed. So just control click and just try to log in over here. You can see the last URL, control and click you have to do. So just do it, and here you can see multiple pages are live. Close the older pages and retry again. Okay, so let me show you what we need to do. Come over here, again enter the username, same username you have to use which you have used for creating the playground in this particular module, and we are in the first module also, so you have recently created. So after that you have to just sign in, and let me see it works or not. So it's taking a bit of time, and here you can see it's again redirecting to the different website. So basically you have to just try again and again. Let me show you what you have to do. So here I think opening a new terminal will work. So let's open a new terminal, close this unwanted, and then just try to connect via this only. Okay, we are trying multiple things. Let's see which one works. Again project default, and for the project it was Agentforce. So from here you can copy it. Again they are just closing it. This is the thing I hate about the VS Code. Again paste it like this, hit enter, it's again generating the URL. So let's see whether it works or not. So now we are opening a new URL. Now I enter the pass over here. Again just click on login, and here finally I think we are getting this one. Just click on allow. So yes, it is successful. Now we have done the part of the lab. So basically we have completed the lab, I think so. Now we have to simply check the score. So just come over here to the module. You can see we have got the score, and we have to come to the module and just try to check the score. So here you can see all these things are done. One more important thing, just after completing this module, start the second module of this course. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to get the score. So let's see the score, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. More videos are coming, do not worry about it. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Do join our Telegram channel, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe the channel. Most importantly, if you want any other courses, you can comment down below. So finally we have completed the first part. Now the next part will be also live very soon. So just stay tuned and have a great day, guys.